is Herman again in another Just My Review, and today I'm gonna show you guys a quick tip for all you guys that having problems with the windshield that sometimes is real dirty, and especially when it's raining hard, you guys are not able to see outside because the grease and all the stuff. And you know, sometimes we put some liquids to clean the windshield that are not good in reality for the windshield, and with the years to come it's gonna get damaged. And those liquids are those with ammonia, and that's really bad for the windshield. And guys, it's two quick tips for that. First one, this one right here, as you guys see, basically the water is disappearing. Yeah, can you? Yeah, thank you, man. Yeah, this my friend is helping me right here, right now, and as you guys can see, the water is just, you know, getting off the windshield by itself, no wipers. And there is something that I use every 6 months, and that's wax. Yeah, I got the wax there every time when I wax my my car, my truck, my wife's SUV. I use wax on the windshield, and you just let it sit overnight or for maybe half hour to an hour. Then you buffer it off with a rag like this one, and you guys clean that, and you know, basically you guys not gonna have any problem. Now if you guys want to use the windshield, you guys can do it in a hard rain, and look at this, it's smooth, it's clean, and you know, it's gonna stay there. That ceramic coat, the ceramic basically wax, not ceramic coat, the wax is gonna stay on the windshield for a very long time. It's gonna stay for months. Last time I used it basically was almost like 7 months ago, and you know, the windshield is still in good clean condition. And another tip, guys, I'm gonna show you that later on in another quick video, how to prevent the fog inside the car, especially when you guys the windows close. And honestly, as you guys see, my car is no fog at all. And well, right now basically I got the windows closed and I got some air running, but you know, basically when you just leave your when you leave your car by the itself in the parking lot, and if you don't leave the windows open, sometimes you guys see a little bit of accumulation of fog, and that's not right for the vehicle. Well, I'm gonna show you guys in another Just My Review, and trust me, I check different methods that I see online, and I tried it myself, and this one so far for me is the best of all. You know, I tried different ones, and honestly, the way to apply this is not so something like easy. It's very easy basically, but it's not something that it's super easy, but it's kind of a little bit tedious. But you know, it's easy to make and it's easy to clean. But after that, guys, you guys not gonna suffer of the fog in the windshield and the glass in your vehicle. Alright guys, well, stay tuned and see you guys in another Just My Review. Subscribe, share. God bless you all, guys. Thank you very much, and see you guys in another Just My Review.